There is a motor boat given whose speed is given as 24 km per hour. And there's a stream that we are having for the river which is going in this direction, and the speed of that one is given as s. If the boat is going in this direction, it will say we are going in downstream direction. So you will say this one is downstream direction, which means that value will become 24 plus s. If the boat is going in this direction, then it will go in upward direction, or we can say upstream that we are having, and that speed will be treated as 24 minus of s. Now if I want to find the time of upstream, so you will write time of upstream, that is equal to 32 upon 24 minus of s. Now if I want to write the value of time of downstream, that can be written as 32 upon 24 plus of s. Since 24 minus s will always be small, like a speed is always smaller, which means time taken is larger. So you will say time taken in upstream is equal to, so you will say TUS, that is equal to 1 plus T time taken by downstream. So you will write as 32 upon 24 plus s plus 1, which is equal to 32 upon 24 minus of s. And you will write it like this. And now we will write everything in same side. You will write 32 upon 24 minus of s, and here you will write 32 upon 24 plus of s, which is equal to 1. So here if I want to take 1 by 32 common, if I want to take, here you will write 1 by 24 minus of s, and here you will write 1 by 24 plus of s, which is equal to 1. So everything you can write as 1 by 24 minus of s plus 1 by 24 plus of s, which is equal to 1 by 32. Now if I want to take the LCM, here you will write as 24 minus of s, and this value will become negative, right? And this value will become 24 plus of s. Here you will write 24 plus of s. This value will become minus of 24 plus of s is equal to 1 by 32. So minus 24 plus of 24 will get cancelled, and you will get 2s. 2s will get multiplied with 32. You will get the value as 64s, and here you will get 576 minus of s square. If I want to write it further, you will write as s square plus of 64s minus of 576, which is equal to 0. And 64s can be written as 72 into 8. That is equal to 8 2s are 16, 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 1 57, which means that we can write it like this. And also 72 minus of 8, that will become 64. So we can write it like this. So here s square is written. Here you will write this one as 72s minus of 8s minus of 576, which is equal to 0. So if I will take s common, you will get the value as s plus 72. Minus of 8 common, you will get the value as s plus 72, which is equal to 0. Here if I want to write it further, you will write it as s minus of 8. This value will become s plus 72, which is equal to 0. So you will get the value of s, that is equal to 8, or you will get the value of s that is equal to minus of 72. There are two values that you are getting. Either you are getting the value of s as 8, or you are getting the value of s as minus of 72. So speed can't be negative, so we will not take that value, because this is not velocity, this is speed. So you will always take the value of speed as positive value. That's why the speed is given as 8 km per hour. So speed of stream that you can see here, that is equal to 8 km per hour. And that's the answer of your question.